Hello everyone, this printer is HP MV6520E. I'm going to show you how to copy document with this printer. Open the glass scanner and stick the document you want to copy face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left. Close the cover. Then select copy from the screen. Select copy. Then select document copy or ID card copy. So select document copy. Select plus to select number of copies to increase the number of copies, or minus. So select plus, the number increase. Select minus, the number decrease for copy. Then scroll down, select sides. Select on the sides. We want to copy two-sided, 1 to 2-sided. Color mode, we want to copy in color. If you want to copy black and white, then select on color mode. Then select black only. But in this case, we want to copy it in color. Quality is currently in standard. Then select on quality. It gives you option for you to select draft, standard, best. So it's currently in standard. Then select this to copy. If you change your mind, then select cancel. So the document is copying. Then it will show you two-sided copying. So open the glass scanner, place the next page on the scanner glass, and then touch to continue to proceed. So open the glass, turn the document the other way around, close the cover, then select continue to scan the next page or copy the next page. So it will show you starting. So it's copying the next page. We will show you copy complete. Then select OK. This is the document we copied in color, two-sided. Now I want us to copy the document in black, and also we're going to copy using ADF. So we're going to remove the document and put the document you want to copy on the ADF, and also make sure the area you want to copy need to face up first. Then select copy. Then select document copy. Then select number of copies. Two-sided copy. Select 1 to 2-sided. We want to copy this in black. So change the color to black only. Scroll down. Quality, standard. So if we select this, settings, options, it show you scan option, content type, mixed, sides 1 to 2-sided, and black only, original size, A4, lighter and darker. You can adjust it according to your preference. Then select number of copies. Paper type A4, quality standard. Then you close this. Then select this button to copy. We'll show you start copying, and it's copying. We'll show you drying up, drying. Copy completed. If you want to copy the next page, then put the document on the glass scanner. Then this document, reload it to copy two-sided, reload it with the printable area face up. So reload it on the tray. Area you already printed need to face up for us to print two-sided. So reload the paper. We'll show you paper change. Then you select confine the paper, select OK to the paper A4. Then to copy this page, then you select copy. We want to stay copy it in black and white. Then select 1 to 1 sided. Then select start. This is the document we copied two-sided. So these are ways to copy document, copying the document two-sided using ADF or copying with glass scanner. Will show you copy complete. Then you select OK. Remove the paper. So this is how to copy document. If you want to go back, then you select this back arrow button or select the menu to go back to the home page. Thank you very much indeed.